Hey there, e-commerce sellers. If you're selling on Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, or honestly any combo of those, you probably know that sales tax compliance is, well, a headache. Between new laws, marketplace rules, and all those state lines, it can feel like you need a law degree just to stay out of trouble. But breathe easy, because in the next 3 minutes I'll break it all down and show you how OBG Outsourcing makes multi-state sales tax super simple. Let's start with the basics. What is Sales Tax Nexus and why should you care? Nexus is just a fancy way of saying you have a connection to a state that requires you to collect and pay sales tax there. It can happen two ways. Physical nexus, like having a warehouse or inventory in a state, or economic nexus, which kicks in if your sales hit a certain threshold in a state, usually $100,000 in sales or 200 transactions. Here's the catch. With online selling, you can trigger Nexus in multiple states without ever setting foot there. Wild, right? Now, you've probably heard about marketplace facilitator laws. Most states now make big platforms like Amazon and Walmart collect and pay sales tax for you. Sounds good, but not so fast. That only covers sales through their platform. If you're also on Shopify, your own website, eBay, or doing wholesale, you still have to handle sales tax yourself in any state where you've got Nexus. And here's where sellers trip up. The most common mistakes? Assuming every tax is covered by the marketplace, not registering in states where you hit economic nexus, forgetting to check those thresholds, messing up product taxability, or missing filing deadlines. Those slip-ups can mean penalties, interest, or even an audit. Not fun. So, how do you get and stay compliant? Step 1, figure out where you have Nexus. Track your sales volume and inventory locations, especially if you're doing Amazon FBA. Step 2, register for a sales tax permit in every state where you have Nexus before you collect a dime. Step 3, properly set up tax collection in your platforms and use tools like TaxJar or Avalara to stay on top of rates. Step 4, file your returns on time, monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on the state. And Step 5, keep your records squeaky clean for at least 4 to 7 years. But let's be real, juggling all this on top of running your business? That's where OBG Outsourcing comes in. We handle all the gritty details, analyzing your Nexus, helping with registrations, prepping and filing your returns, integrating with all your platforms and sales tax software, and keeping you up to date with law changes. Basically, you get to skip the tax headaches and focus on growing your business. So if you want to stay penalty-free and stress-free, reach out to OBG Outsourcing today. Because sales tax compliance shouldn't hold you back from crushing your e-commerce goals. OBG Outsourcing, your partner in hassle-free e-commerce tax.